Stop overcomplicating your prepper pantry. If the grid goes down tomorrow, you don't need a bunker full of expensive gourmet meals. You need calories, protein, and shelf life. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, and this is the top 5 survival foods you absolutely must stockpile. Number 1. White rice, the ultimate survival foundation. It's cheap, incredibly calorie-dense, and if stored in Mylar bags, it lasts over 25 years. Number 2. Canned meat, chicken, beef, or tuna. You need protein to keep your strength up, and these are ready to eat right out of the can with zero cooking required. Number 3. Peanut butter, the king of quick energy. It's packed with healthy fats and calories. No stove, no water, no prep needed. Just grab a spoon. Number 4. Dried beans. Pair these with your white rice, and you instantly have a complete protein to keep you fueled for the long haul. 5. Raw honey. It provides a massive instant energy boost, helps with morale, and the best part? It literally never goes bad. Start with these 5 basics before you buy anything else. Hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense prepping, and I'll see you in the next one.